Hey, what's up YouTube? What I have today is not new. It's been there out for like 2-3 years. But the reason I bought it is just because I need a wireless keyboard to use with my iPad, as I use it as a main, you can say, notebook in my university. I don't take my laptop anymore. It's not comfortable for me. So I decided to buy a wireless keyboard for my iPad. So this is the unboxing. So this is a keyboard, and I live in Europe, but I decided to buy the US wireless keyboard because of the return enter button. It's like flat and it's quite like big, and you can like press it without any problems, unlike the European version where it's like small and I don't know, maybe you can make mistakes while pressing on it or typing. So let's unbox it. It's very nice, very thin. And it's included with the batteries. All you have to do is just power it up and start using it. Here you have it. Thanks for watching.